today, well, today's going to be a long day. We've got to try and scrub up this. And I'm not really that excited. All right, since I can't find any of my rubber caps, I don't know where they went. We're gonna put a Ziploc bag around here. I don't want any dirt getting down into the water pump area. And we're gonna tape it up. Hopefully that works. Worst case, I've done this before and just use a zip tie. But we're gonna try tape. If it don't work, we'll go back to the zip tie.
I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right.
I'm gonna soak this up a bit more and let her sit. Be careful not to get any in the exhaust port here.
So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me. And the things I could be, I just wish I had seen.
I'm just taking a little bit of a sponge with some water to try and wash off some of what we've already done.
Things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
It's not, these brushes are crap, but like, you can't get your hands in there. So we use the brush to speed it up. It's not about trying to polish it. We're just trying to clean this motor. The bristles are gone. Pieces of crap. Canadian Tire, Mastercraft ones. For anybody in Canada, they're garbage. Look at that. Well, this motor's definitely cleaned up a lot. you know, it looks a million times better than it did. Got her all scrubbed up. All the little nooks and crannies, even underneath.
The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
This is the grease I use. I don't know, it was on sale. It's pretty good stuff. I don't really care what the brand is. Like I said, I'm not sponsored. I don't know, it's blue. Seems to work good. We're gonna give a light coating on the axle here, just so we can ensure everything slides together a little easier. Take our swing arm, set it up in there, put the punch in on the thread side. And I still got this thing hooked to this pair of vice grips. There we go. Take these off. Take out the punch. It's in. We're gonna have to drop the front motor mount in here too to help us hold it so we can get the proper angle. A little grease on it.
Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be.
There we go. Little pry bar there just to help lift the weight of the motor.
I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well,
And then torque it down. 65 foot-pounds is what my book says. Perfect. Up the swing arm linkage.
this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong.
Install our reed cage, but I like to put a little bit of grease just to help hold the gasket, like very light. Don't want a bunch of grease getting down in the cylinder. Doesn't need it. And then when you're reinstalling on the 2002, this is up. It's curved a certain way, and that needs to be up. We'll install our intake. A bunch of flies in here today. Got some new hardware for that.
But I know you can't tell, like nothing I felt. My mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
And we're just gonna get this swing arm all bolted up with the rear shock so that we can throw the tire in and get her back on the stand.
I guess I'm
Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you fade away.
Well, our 02 CR250 restoration build is moving along pretty good. Had the motor out, scrubbed, cleaned, back in. You know, the frame's been done, swing arm's done. There's not much more to do. We're gonna be pulling the tires off, doing bearings, new rubber, chain and sprockets. So those will be the next couple videos. And then it won't be long till it's fully back together. Anyway, hopefully you guys liked it, and hopefully you like the next one.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality is tragedy, bruh.